Hello YouTube, welcome to Unit 14 Garage. Right at the moment, out in here, enjoying my adult beverage. Some of y'all may recognize the bottle, some of y'all might not, either way. Now comes the tedious part of the wiring on this thing. Let me show you what I got going on here and give you a little explanation of what I'm doing. Alright, so this is the exterior portion of my bulkhead connector. I have a diagram drawn up of the label of each one of the connectors on here. Let me get this oriented just right. So this top pin is A right here, and then it goes in pretty much sequential order around the outside, and then when you get to the ones on the inner portion, it's a little bit funny, but I've got it all written down here, and then I've got a description of what color the wire is and what that wire controls, and I'm going to go through and deal with that. I've already got pins on all my wires right here. It's just a simple matter of installing them in this and keeping track of what's what, so later on when I go to draw my wiring schematic, I can keep up with that. If I have any issues, I can troubleshoot it accurately and go from there.
Hospitals have doctors and nurses. We have mom and dad.
Mom and I are staying right across the street the whole time.
Okay, Daddy. Because at RMHC, we help families feel at home, even when they can't be. Ronald McDonald House Charities. Learn more at rmhc.org.
You're more than a small business, so MailChimp made this more than a radio ad. It's also a monster marketing rally. Sunday. MailChimp.
Problems, or when I go to start hooking things up to the relay panel, and I already know what's what by the time I get there. I don't have to backtrack and do a bunch of crazy troubleshooting trying to figure out why the wire that I have in my hand hooking up to a relay is operating something totally different besides what I want it to. Anyway, I want to start pinning up some wires and get them plugged into the inside of the cab. Anyway, I'm going to get to that side over here in a few minutes, and once I get this disassembled and that plug pulled off and some wire hooked up to it, I'll get back with you. Alright, this is what I'm rewarded with my troubles. So I've got everything hooked up on the outside. Obviously you saw that earlier. Now I've got the first 6 wires hooked up on this side of the firewall. It's all my 12 gauge wiring stuff. I think I've got headlights or headlight relay, let's see, water pump, fans 1 and 2, horn, which is a little bit overkill for, and my starter. So, or the what do you call it, for the ignition for the starter. So yeah, next thing, I do have to run a wire from a distributor cap down around the engine. I'm gonna follow the same loop as start wire, or the remote wire for the starter, and follow it around its main power, and then I'll pass it through the firewall in one of my empty spots, which I've got 6. And there's probably a couple of these that I could have combined, but this is just the way I'm gonna do it for now. I may end up with another bulkhead fitting to accommodate more electrical items as needed. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Bye.